kids are aware that drugs are bad, and they keep far, far away from them. But did you know that alcohol is a drug too? Did you know that alcohol...
What the fuck?
Ohio to leave on the Lake Ohio until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 12 nautical miles northeast of Avon Point.
Weekly test? Are you high?
Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Intact, all craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Willowick and Cleveland.
Bro!
Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles north of Coney Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar.
Intact, could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Number 3!
At 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, several strong thunderstorms were located along the lake shore from Willowick to Coney Island, moving north of 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar.
Locations and tactics include Geneva on the lake, Airport Harbor, Sabina, and Coney Island.
What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Whoa, really?
At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 20 nautical miles north of Avon Point, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar.
Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. For near shore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Lorraine Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots.
Severe marine warning.
Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Lorraine Harbor and Avon Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harmonsburg to near Atlantic, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Dar.
Impact, expect damage to trees
Weekly
and power
test.
lines. Locations impacted include
Oh,
Meadville,
God.
Titusville, Cambridge Springs, Linesville, Damsville, Canandaigua Lake, Riceville, Harmonsburg, Lincolnville, Guys Mills, Atlantic, Cochranton, Sagertown, Conneautville, Conneaut Lake, Hudtown, Springboro, Blooming Valley, Townville, and Spartansburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
There's two more. Sagertown, Conneautville, Conneaut Lake, Hightown, Springboro, Blooming Valley, Townville, and Spartansburg. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Pennsylvania over station KDC 58 from Erie, Pennsylvania on a frequency at 162.400 megahertz. Urgent weather message. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harmonsburg to near Atlantic. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special call receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. The National Weather Service will await a warning alarm. Elsewhere across Pennsylvania, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 73.
Jej pysznej zupie nie ruszam grupy sklepa. Gazu papryła z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po swojej pysznej zupie nie ruszam grupy sklepa. Gazu papryła z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po swojej pysznej